family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. Happy 4th of July to everybody. So I just wanted to cook something special today, and I decided to make Mbongo Tchobi, which is a Cameroonian dish. It's actually black soup made with a lot of African traditional spices. So family, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I would like to do, because I'm going to be accompanying it with some plantain and also some cocoyams. So the first thing we would like to do is to peel our cocoyams and our plantains and put on the fire. The next thing we're going to do is to put all our ingredients for the soup into the blender and blend together. So what you need is 4 tomatoes. I have large tomatoes, usually not too ripe. Don't forget to click on the description box for a complete list of all the ingredients I used in this recipe. Let's go ahead and add our black spices inside. Actually, this is what gives the soup a black color, and it's a mixture of a lot of Cameroonian traditional spices that were actually burnt before blended. In this recipe, we're going to be using catfish. So let's go ahead and put our catfish in the pot and actually pour our blended spices inside. Meanwhile, don't forget to check your plantain and your cocoyam so they don't get too soft. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and equally comment. Take care. See you next week. God bless you.